Hello everyone, today I have a review of a pocket knife from the Polish company Gerlach model Assist 12. The pocket knife was packed in a blister. Total length with an open blade is 15.5 centimeters. Length of the blade itself is 6.5 centimeters. Blade thickness is 2 millimeters. The steel is 420. It's a simple stainless steel, tempered to 53 HRC, full flat grind. The tools are finished in high polish. On the blade is a stamped inscription, Gerlach stainless. The handle scales are made of red Celidor. It's the same material as in Victorinox pocket knives. The company logo and name, Gerlach. The crown and the date of establishment of the company. Actually, the Assist 12 is an analog of the Victorinox Spartan. It has exactly the same functions. Large blade does its job, it cuts. Can opener works. Small flat screwdriver works. But these type of small tools are quite delicate, and when we do something by force, they wear out much faster. If I have to screw or unscrew something, I use regular screwdrivers. I mean tools designed for their purpose. A pocket knife is a final solution, and this applies to all pocket knives. Small blade also cuts. Bottle opener works. Flat screwdriver. I used it to vent the heaters and works. The most solid screwdriver in the set because it has the largest working surface. Wire stripper. I've never used it, so I can't say anything about it. Corkscrew works. Reamer and hole punch pierces. Tweezers. You won't pull out a tick or a splinter with it, but it's the same case with Victorinox. It's just a bent metal plate, so you can't do much with it. Toothpick, also like in the case of Victorinox, but it does the job. Just a plastic toothpick. And a keyring. In summary, is it worth to buy this pocket knife? Yes, I don't think it's bad. It's not Victorinox, but the tools mostly fulfill their purpose. The steel is worse than in the case of Victorinox, but I haven't noticed that the tools jam or that they couldn't be opened and closed. I would compare the quality to Mikov pocket knives. The price is also not too high, so why not? I like the Gerlach company because of its very long history and tradition. I have a huge sentiment for it. Everyone in Poland had Gerlach cutlery at home, and every second one carried their pocket knife. The Super model was the flagship knife of this company. The company is literally iconic, so it's worth to have this pocket knife even only for the sentimental reasons. I still have the military WZ-98 somewhere in my garage. It's pretty worn out, still with the Gerlach punch above the crossguard. If I find it, I'll make a video. The Gerlach company also is older than companies such as Mikov from Czech Republic or Puma from Germany. This date is really impressive. The Russian Tsar Nikolai I appreciated the quality of the Gerlach company and granted the right to mark their products with the crown symbol, which has remained in the company logo to this day. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.